In this video, we've picked the top 5 cordless 18-gauge brad nailers, perfect for finish work like trim, molding, and cabinetry. While there are many types of nailers, pneumatic, gas-powered, and different gauges, we focus on cordless 18-gauge models because they offer precision, portability, and ease without extra gear. Whether you need something lightweight for small projects or more powerful for detailed work, we've got options to suit different needs. Let me know in the comments which one you'd choose, or if you already have a favorite. Starting with the 5th spot, the WEN 20-volt max cordless 18-gauge brad nailer is a solid, practical choice for those who want cordless freedom without spending a fortune. It drives nails that range from 3/4 of an inch up to 2 inches in length, which makes it ideal for common household tasks like installing baseboards, window trim, or assembling small furniture. One of its key advantages is its completely cordless design, freeing you from the hassle of hoses and compressors. Perfect if you often work in tight spaces or outdoors. The battery it includes has a built-in LED indicator, so you can easily see how much power remains and avoid unexpected interruptions. Additionally, the tool features smart LED lights that provide feedback about the nail supply and tool temperature, helping prevent jams or overheating during longer projects. Its magazine holds up to 100 nails, reducing the need for frequent reloading. Lightweight and compact, this nailer is easy to maneuver, making it especially user-friendly for beginners or those who want a straightforward, reliable tool for everyday tasks. If your projects mainly involve basic finish carpentry or DIY crafting, this tool offers great value and portability at a reasonable price. Coming in at 4th place, the BIELMEIER 20-volt 2-in-1 cordless brad nailer and stapler offers versatility for anyone who wants a tool that can handle both nails and staples. It works with 18-gauge brad nails ranging from just over a ½ inch to a bit over an inch, and also uses narrow crown staples for upholstery or light woodworking. This makes it a perfect choice for tasks such as furniture repair, upholstery projects, or detailed trim work where staples might be preferable. Thanks to upgraded impact drive technology, it delivers smooth, consistent power, minimizing the chance of splitting wood or damaging delicate surfaces. Its lithium-ion battery lasts long enough to fire thousands of nails or staples on a single charge, making it reliable for extended use. Safety is a priority with this model. It will only fire when the safety tip is pressed firmly against your workpiece, reducing accidental firing, and the battery has built-in protection to prevent overcharging or deep discharge, extending its life. Weighing less than 5 pounds, it feels comfortable in your hand, and a rubberized, non-slip grip helps reduce fatigue during longer sessions. There is also a bright LED light to improve visibility in dark or cramped areas. The magazine loads from the bottom and features a quick-release design, allowing for fast reloading without interrupting your workflow. This nailer is ideal if you want one tool to handle a variety of fastening tasks without the hassle of switching between nailers and staplers. In 3rd place, the CRAFTSMAN V20 cordless brad nailer is designed for those who demand a higher level of performance and reliability. It runs on the CRAFTSMAN 20-volt battery platform, providing cordless convenience with strong, consistent power for 18-gauge finish nails. This nailer is well suited for detailed trim work such as crown molding, chair rails, and cabinet installation, jobs that require precise depth control and a neat finish. You can easily adjust the depth of each nail without tools, allowing you to adapt quickly to different materials and project requirements. Clearing jams is also simple and tool-free, so you won't waste time troubleshooting. Its lightweight design is balanced perfectly, reducing hand fatigue and increasing comfort over long periods of use. The over-molded grip fits naturally in your hand, and a belt hook allows you to keep the nailer handy when not in use. One notable strength is its ability to deliver consistent power in a variety of weather conditions and wood types, so it won't lose performance in cold or humid environments. This makes it a great choice for both serious DIY enthusiasts and professional finish carpenters who need a dependable tool that delivers precision and efficiency. The runner-up is the Worx Nitro 20-volt 18-gauge cordless brad nailer, a model that combines advanced technology with versatility. It uses a unique air impact system to drive brad nails up to 2 inches deep, including into hardwoods, which is important for tougher jobs such as panel molding or window trim. One of its most practical features is its battery compatibility. The same batteries work with over 100 other Worx tools, so if you own or plan to own multiple Worx devices, this adds real convenience and saves money. The nailer can fire nails rapidly, allowing you to complete large projects more quickly. Because it's cordless, you avoid dealing with hoses, compressors, or gas cartridges, simplifying your setup and work area. The tool also features a quick, tool-free jam release, so you can easily clear stuck nails and keep working without frustration. Its design includes an anti-ejection system that keeps nails from flying out unexpectedly during loading or jam clearing, making it safer to use. Reloading is quick and hassle-free, with a magazine that loads easily and an indicator to warn you when nails are running low. There's also a safety lock to prevent the nailer from firing when the magazine is empty, protecting your work and the tool itself. This model is a smart mid-range option for anyone who wants a fast, powerful, and safe cordless brad nailer that can handle a broad range of finish carpentry tasks. At number 1, the DEWALT 20-volt Max Cordless Brad Nailer Kit represents the best in class for those who want uncompromising performance and durability. This tool is entirely battery-powered, removing the need for compressors, hoses, or gas cartridges, and delivering true freedom of movement on job sites or home projects. Its brushless motor extends runtime and tool lifespan, so you can work longer and rely on consistent power. The micro-nose design improves visibility and accuracy, allowing you to place nails precisely even in tight or detailed spaces. Essential for fine finish carpentry, such as cabinetry, molding, and furniture assembly. You can adjust the nail depth quickly and without tools, ensuring perfect countersinking every time, and jams clear just as easily with a tool-free release system. Multifunctional LED lights illuminate your work area and provide diagnostic information, like battery status, helping you avoid surprises during important tasks. The tool's trigger can be switched between sequential mode for precise control and contact mode for faster firing, adapting to different work styles or project demands. While it is the most expensive option, its combination of advanced features, power, and build quality make it the best choice for professional contractors and serious DIYers who want reliable, accurate, and efficient performance across all their finish carpentry needs. Each of these nailers serves different types of users and project requirements. Whether you are a casual DIYer, a versatile handyman, or a professional craftsman, these options cover a wide range of needs and budgets. Thinking about your specific use, whether it's light household trim, upholstery, heavy molding, or precise cabinetry, will help you pick the best tool to get the job done efficiently and with excellent results.